Good morning, students. As we have started chapter 4, that is reproductive health. Reproductive health is what is reproductive health? It is just a state of physical, emotional, behavioral, and social fitness. According to WHO, reproductive health is defined as the total well being in all aspects of reproduction. Either it's emotional, it's behavioral, social, or physical one. Clear? Now, what are the aspects or what are the problems that reproductive health is in trouble? Means our health is just facing problems. Then what are the reasons? The reasons are population growth, personal hygiene, deformities, career, kid parents, early marriage. Talking about India, as we know that India is a religious, traditional and society setup which do not allow much dissemination of knowledge about reproductive health to their children. In India only, the early marriage, that is soon after puberty is attained, as the teenage lady is not physically fit to bear the fetus and nourish it properly, then also it is forced to be a mother. And the people are having very little knowledge about personal hygiene and the hygiene of reproductive organs. Carelessness of maintaining personal hygiene results in catching of STDs, as we know that. Our reproductive health is also facing problem just because of increased population growth. So, to improve the reproductive health of our society, of our India, major steps has been taken, such as the family planning aspects. That is, the first step was taken in 1951. And India became the first country of the worldwide to initiate plans and programs for attaining reproductive health as a social goal. So, what are the factors which require for improving our reproductive health? Such as, first, journal awareness. With the help of audiovisual aids, print media, primary health center, we can just aware people of about their health, about the disease, by making people aware about sex related matters. We can just help them to detect and cure of STDs. Overall, increased medical facilities. In 1951, Reproductive and Child Healthcare Society, that is RCH, improved the planning that was started in 1951, which was relaunched in 1997. What are the major tasks of RCH programs? First, creating awareness among the people about reproduction related aspects. Second is providing facilities and support for building up the reproductive healthy society. Providing information for adolescents to discourage them for behaving in myths and misconceptions about sex related issues. Adolescents should be informed about reproductive organs, adolescents are and related changes, safe and hygiene sexual practice such as sex abuse, sexually transmitted disease like AIDS were the major steps which was taken by RCH. Married couples or those are in marriageable age group should be educated about available birth control options, care of pregnant mother, pronatal care of mother, importance of breastfeeding, equal opportunities for male and female. These are the steps which was taken by RCH to increase the reproductive health in positive manner. Ban of prenatal diagnostic technique based on chromosomal pattern, in which the samples of amniotic fluid is taken from the uterus of pregnant women to detect the early development of fetus, was totally banned in India, and this technique was called as amniocentesis. The benefit of this technique is used for checking the abnormalities if fetus having any abnormalities before delivering. Now, population explosion. What is population explosion? The tremendous increase in the size and the growth rate of population is called population explosion. It occurs due to increased health facilities, better living conditions, decline in death rate, now longer lifespan, early marriage, religious beliefs, child labor, lack of education. According to 2001 census report, the population growth rate was around 1.7%, that is approximately 17.5% of the world population with 2.4% of land area. India is having such amount of population. Therefore, what are the steps we can take to maintain the and prevent the population explosion, such as raising the marriageable age to 18 years for females and 21 years for males. Couple with small families should be given some incentives. Birth control is an important step to control the population growth by motivating smaller families to use contraceptive methods. Now, what is contraceptions? Contraception is a temporary or a permanent measures that prevent pregnancy, whereas contraceptives are the device which prevent conception or pregnancy without any way interfering in reproductive health of individual. Clear? How can we say that the device which we are using is an ideal contraceptive? It should have the following features, like it should be user friendly, that is comfortable to use, easily available, without any side effects, reversible, completely effective against pregnancy. So that we can say that the contraceptive device which we are using to control the birth or control the population is an ideal contraceptive. Now, what are the methods of contraceptions? These are natural or traditional method. First one is natural method. Second one is barrier. Third one is intrauterine device, that is IUD. This come in chemical barrier. Oral contraceptives, mechanical methods, surgical methods,